Howdy, my name is Michael Guido, and this is my informative speech for Communications 2301 at UTA. I am currently finishing my senior year in electrical engineering and will soon start uh, a career in electrical generation. That is at the time my first choice in career path, and for good reason. Uh, Generation, transmission, and distribution are on heavy demand for electrical engineers. However, generation is the one that interests me the most. My presentation is in regards to coal generation. Coal generation has provided consistently more than 30% of the electrical engineering in the United States. As can be seen by my visual aid, 30.4%, and that is the coal. We derive electrical energy from coal through a precipitator. This precipitator sends the raw coal into a boiler where it is burnt at an extremely high temperature. This is something we've learned in our thermodynamics class and is done through a firebox. This burns a special liquid. It's a patent type, almost similar to water, and it is at the high speed. The compressed air sent through highly dense pipes is sent through a turbine. This turbine spins a generator that then transmits electricity to the grid of the United States. After the water has gone through the turbine, it is sent through a condensed cooling water, for example, a lake or a cooling tower, where it then repeats the process. The generator that provides alternating current to our grid has been a mainstay in providing electrical engineering since the Nikola Tesla days, when we first started transitioning exclusively to alternating current for our grid, as it travels much farther than direct current without the need of so many towers, as well as has a great resource in coal. A lot of the resources found to, for this information can be found in the Duke Energy website, more specifically how energy works. Moving more over coal generation has stayed our mainstay electrical energy resource because of how affordable and largely domesticated it has been produced despite the several effects it has on the environment due to this is a fossil fuel. More of this information can also be found in coal and electricity, as well as the impacts on the environment in the World Coal Association. And one of the resources my professor had me learn to become a little more familiar with the process was several educational videos found in how coal plants work. When I mentioned I would be interested in interning or a full-time career path. Despite the great positives we have thanks to coal generation, there are protesters who see this as a less than maintainable asset. However, as mentioned, due to resources and coal and electricity, at the moment, there is no alternative to coal energy. Nothing can provide the same magnitude that coal generation provides. While these protesters do have their points about the negative effects on the environment, they provide zero solution as to how we can move away from it. Thank you very much.